Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks about the Xiaomi Watch S4, Xiaomi's latest mid-range smartwatch. With its global launch just days away at MWC 2025 in Barcelona, a retailer has accidentally revealed higher than expected pricing for the Watch S4. If you've been waiting for this smartwatch, you'll want to hear this. The Xiaomi Watch S4 was first unveiled in October 2024 alongside the Xiaomi 15 series, Pad 7 Pro, and Smartband 9 Pro. While Xiaomi has kept most details under wraps, recent leaks on Amazon Dubai, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain have given us a sneak peek at its global pricing. According to these listings, the black and silver variants of the Watch S4 will retail for €159.99, while the Rainbow Edition will cost €169.99. However, some retailers suggest the price could go as high as €179.99, marking a 20% increase over last year's Watch S3. So, what does this mean for potential buyers? While the price hike might come as a surprise, the Xiaomi Watch S4 still undercuts competitors like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and Huawei TicWatch Pro 5. For those who value affordability without compromising on features, the Watch S4 remains a strong contender. The Xiaomi Watch S4 is expected to ship starting March 7th, just after MWC 2025 wraps up. While we don't have all the technical details yet, leaks suggest it will offer significant upgrades over the Watch S3, including improved battery life, advanced health tracking, and a sleek design. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a reliable smartwatch, the Watch S4 promises to deliver. What do you think about the Xiaomi Watch S4's pricing? Are you still excited about its launch, or does the price hike make you reconsider? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.